Have you ever been surrounded by people and still felt completely alone? Have you ever walked in a crowd and felt like nobody could see you? Like you didn't belong, like you didn't matter. And maybe late at night you asked yourself, what is wrong with me? This is the story of a young man who asked that question every single day. His name was Daniel. Daniel lived in a busy city full of people, full of noise, full of life. But his life was silent. Every morning he woke up and checked his phone. No messages, no notifications. No one remembered him, just silence. He put the phone down and pretended it didn't hurt. At work people laughed together. They shared stories. They made plans. Daniel sat close to them, but felt far away. Sometimes he tried to speak but nobody listened, so he stopped trying. That feeling of being invisible slowly broke him inside. One night he walked home alone under the cold street lights and whispered to himself, why am I always alone? When he reached home, he sat in the dark. He didn't turn on the lights, because the darkness felt honest. Days passed, nothing changed, until one evening, something unexpected happened. Daniel was sitting alone in a park, watching people live their lives. Friends laughing, couples smiling. Everyone had someone, everyone except him. Then an old man sat beside him. The old man looked at him and asked gently, why do you look so sad? Nobody had asked him that before. Daniel didn't hide this time. He said quietly, I have no friends. The old man smiled, not with pity, but with understanding. He said, being alone does not mean you're broken. Daniel looked at him confused. The old man continued, some people are surrounded by many others but still feel empty. People like you, he said softly, feel things deeply. You see truth, and that makes you different. Daniel felt something strange. For the first time, he didn't feel broken. He felt understood. That night he went home and sat in silence again. But this time the silence didn't hurt. It felt peaceful. He realized something important. All his life he was chasing people who never chose him. He was trying to belong where he was never accepted. So he stopped chasing. He stopped forcing. He stopped pretending. He started spending time alone. He started reading, walking, thinking, growing. Slowly he became stronger, calmer, more confident. Not loud confidence but quiet confidence. Real confidence. Months later, something unexpected happened. One day in a bookstore he met someone. Her name was Emma. She was quiet too. She didn't try to impress him. She didn't try to change him. She simply understood him. For the first time, Daniel didn't feel invisible. He felt seen. He felt accepted. He felt peaceful. And in that moment he realized the truth. You don't need many people. You just need the right one. Years later, Daniel still didn't have many friends, but he had peace. He had real connection. He had himself. And he finally understood being alone does not mean you are broken. It means you are waiting for something real. So if you are listening to this right now and you feel alone, please remember this. There is nothing wrong with you. You are not broken. You are not weak. You are not worthless. You are rare. And rare people are not understood by everyone. Stop chasing people who don't see your value. Stop forcing yourself to fit where you don't belong. Your time will come. Your people will come. And one day, you will realize you were never alone. You were just becoming stronger.